Time for this week's Clash of the Week in the Hostplus Cup. The Sunshine Coast Falcons playing host to the Tweed Seagulls. A great start for Tweed. Braden McGrady crossing in the 9th minute. Tweed scored their second try of the game when Will Brimson scored in the 24th minute.
Behind, I'm well behind, boys. Yeah, I'll show you. Clear grounding, good. Go Ken, Ione. Good.
Then late in the first half, 2 tries for the Falcons. This one, the 34th minute, to young Tonamapaya.
Going ground,
Then Javier Pitaveo scored in the 37th minute for the Falcons. At the break, Tweed were in front, 14 points to 10.
What is good? Up. In goal. Yeah, in goal. All touches. Beyond. Passes back. Yep. In, out.
The Falcons then hit the lead in the 47th minute through Kaya Spartilli.
Yeah.
The game was sealed though for Tweed when Tom Stedman scored this 4-pointer in the 65th minute. It was a hard-fought encounter, but the Seagulls came out on top by 6. Tweed 22 over the Falcons 16. For more of this week's games, head to qplus.tv. Peter Basoldas, Queensland Rugby League.